keen, jumping high from tree to tree, happy as he likes to be. Glad one fine day he saw a sight, yellow bananas shining bright. Farmer kept them in a cart. Monkey smiled, let's make a start. Slowly creeping, tiptoe light, looking left and looking right, grabbed a bunch and ran away, laughing loud, hooray, hooray! Farmer shouted, hey, come back. Monkey vanished on his track. Up the tree he climbed so fast, safe and sound at top at last. Eating bananas one by one, Monkey had so much fun. But he slipped, oh what a fall, bananas flying one and all. Monkey learned a lesson true, stealing is not good to do. Next time he would ask, not take, sharing joy for kindness' sake.